This is a $1 billion super yacht, and it's big enough to hold an entire city on the water.
How do humans build this stuff?
And I'm gonna show you the difference between this and a $300 million mega yacht, a $50 million giga yacht, all the way down to this $1 yacht. Why did you sell me this boat for $1?
The storage just kept racking up.
Yeah.
$18,000.
It's cost you 18 grand a year to store this?
Correct.
Interesting. Here you go.
Thank you.
And after stepping on board, it was pretty clear why this yacht only cost $1. Okay, now that we're on the water, what are we working with in here?
I don't think the floor is supposed to do that. I don't know if this is even worth $1.
Oh, we're actually sinking. Oh! The boat literally started sinking right when we put it in the water.
We gotta go up.
We're sinking! Jump, Chandler! I paid $1 for that! That was the $1 yacht.